So let us solve the next problem. So calculate the regression equation of x on y and y on x. Okay. So from the following data and estimate x when y is 20.
Ax plus.
Yes, we know the formula, right? Okay, so we have the regression line. We have the regression line of y on x, right? So what is the formula? So that is y equals to summation of x into y divided by summation of x square into x, right? Okay, and what is the regression line? And regression line
X on y.
regression line of x on y. Regression line of x on y, what is that? It is x equal to summation x into y divided by summation y square into
Y.
okay, x on y ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ x ಬರುತ್ತೆ, y on x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ y ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
Yes.
ಓಕೆ, ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಯು ಆಲ್ ನೋ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ x here, which is x minus x bar.
Minus x bar.
What is y? Y minus y bar. And what is x bar? It is the sum of values of x divided by number of values of x. And what is y bar? The sum of values of y divided by number of values of y. Okay, so these are the things we come across here. So first let us write the table here. Okay, so we have x value and y value. Let me write that as it is. So 10, 12, 13, 17, 18. So 10, 12, 13, 17, 18. What is y value? 5, 6, 7, 9, 13.
7, 9,
5,
13.
6, 7, 9, 13. Right? So these are the x and y values. Okay, fine. So now using this we have to calculate the values of what? The values of we need this x bar. How can I calculate this x bar? To calculate x bar and y bar, we need to calculate the sum of these values. What is the sum of these values? Tell me. Values of x is 70. Or you x bar elidra? Okay, fine. Okay. What is the sum of values of y?
47.
Now we can calculate x bar and y bar. Right? Okay, what is x bar here?
14.
It is the sum of values of x divided by number of values of x. The sum of values is 7. How many x values are given here?
5.
5 values are given, so n equals to 5. So this is what? This is 5 ones are 5 and 5 fours are, right? Okay.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
And y bar. So y bar
Y
equal
bar
to sum of values of y divided by number of values of y. The sum of values of y is 40 and number of values of y is 5, which is 8. Right? Now let us calculate capital X. What is capital X here? Which is x minus x bar.
X bar.
What is x minus x bar? Which is x minus, what is x bar?
14.
14.
14.
Okay, we have 10. So 10 minus 14 minus 4. 12 minus 14 minus 2.
Minus 2.
Right? And 13 minus 14 minus 1. 17 minus 14, 3. 18 minus 14, 4. And we can also calculate this y, capital Y. What is that? Which is y equals to y minus y bar. So y minus y bar is 8. Right? Okay. So we have y values here. So 5 minus 8 minus 3 and 6 minus 8 minus 2, 7 minus 8 minus 1, 9 minus 8, 1, 13 minus 8, which is 5. Okay? Yeah. So now let us calculate the sum of values of x, because we have to calculate only the sum of values of x square. No need to calculate sum of values of x. Okay. Okay. Let us
Yes.
calculate x into y. Let us calculate x into y. Okay. What is x into y here? It is 4 3s are 12, and 2 2s are 4, and minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1, 3 into 1 3, and 5 4 5s are 20. Right. And we need to calculate what? We need to calculate the sum of values of x into y. What is that? It's 40. And we need to calculate this x square. We need to calculate x square as well y square.
Y square. 16.
Okay. So let us calculate x square. What is x square? 10 square. 10
6.
square is okay. X is minus 4. 16.
4
And
1
4 1 9 16.
9 16.
So what is the sum of values of x square? 46.
46.
So y square minus 3 square 9, 2 square 4, 1 square 1, 1 square 1, and 5 square is 25.
25.
So what is the sum of values of y square? 40. Okay. Yeah.
Yes.
Now let us write the regression line of y on x. Okay. So what is that? So capital Y equals to the summation of x into y divided by the summation of x square into x. What is y here? It is y minus y bar. Okay, that is equal to, what is summation x into y? 40. What is
40.
summation x square? 46. And x is
46.
x minus x bar. So what is y bar? Which is 8. So y minus 8, that is equal to, so 10 by 40 by 46 into x minus 14.
14.
Okay. So let us simplify this. So y minus 8, that is equal to, uh, let us multiply this 40 by 46. We can say that it is uh, we can say that 2 20s are, and 2 2s are, and 2 3s are. We can say that 20 by 23 times. So 20 by 23 times x minus y minus 8 equals to, so 20 by 23 into x minus 20 by 23 into 14. Okay. So now let us shift this minus 8 to the right hand side. What happens? So y equals to 20 by 23 into x minus 20 into 14 divided by 23 plus 8. What is this? This is the regression line of what?
Y on x.
ಇದನ್ನೇ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದೇನು? ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು. This is what? The coefficient
Of
the coefficient of the regression line of y on x.
Y on x.
Okay, let it be c1. So let us calculate the regression line of
X on
x on y. The formula is x equal to
summation of
summation
xy
xy
x
divided by summation
summation
y square into y.
into y.
Right. Okay. So here x equal to what? X minus x bar.
Minus x bar.
That is equal to, what is summation x? Summation
40.
x into y is 40. And what is summation
40.
x square?
40. 40. X square 40.
40. And it is y minus y bar. So what is x bar? 14.
X bar 40. X bar 40.
We can cancel this 40 here. This is y minus, what is y bar?
8.
Y bar is 8. If I bring this 14 to right hand side, I will have x equal to y minus 8 minus 14 will become plus 14. We can say that
14.
x equal to y into, so y plus 6, right? 14 minus
Yes.
8 is 6.
Yes, sir.
So now tell me what is the coefficient of y here? ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಿದೆ, 1 ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
1.
So I can say that this is what?
Okay.
This is the, so
Coefficient of regression.
coefficient of the regression line of x on y, and let it be c2, and let it be
Yes.
c2.
See.
Now tell me how can you calculate the coefficient of correlation? But ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿರೋದೇನು ಅನ್ನೋ question ಅಲ್ಲಿ, in the question they ask you to find only the regression lines.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so they ask only regression lines means these two is enough. This is the regression line of y on x, and this is the regression line of x on y.
Yes.
Okay, the regression, you have to write regression line of y on x. What is that? Which is y
20.
equals to 20 by 23 times x minus ಏನಿದೆ
Minus
ಅದನ್ನ, let me write that as it
20.
is 20 into 14. ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಹಾಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ, ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. Okay, and what is the regression line of x on y?
Uh,
Which
X
is
is equal to
x equal to y plus 6.
y plus x.
Okay, ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕೇಳಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಏನದು? We have to
Yes, sir.
calculate the value of x when y is 20. ಅಂದ್ರೆ y ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, we have to calculate the value of x. ಯಾವ್ದು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅವಾಗ? You have to make use of this equation, because in this equation y value is given and we have to calculate the value of x, right?
Yes.
At that stage you have to make use of the regression line of x on y. If the x value is given and they ask you to find y value, you have to make use of the regression line of y on x. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? So if they given the value of y and they ask you to find the value of x, you have to make use of this equation.
X on y.
Okay, so at y equals to what?
20.
Y equals to 20, we have to find the value of x, is it not? So what is
Yes.
x? Which is 20 plus
20.
6, which is 26. Can you calculate the coefficient of correlation? What is the coefficient of correlation? That is the
R
geometric
is
mean of,
sum of
what is
x.
the formula? Coefficient of regression line of y on x, right? Into the same thing, coefficient of regression line of x on y,
X on y.
right? So this is equal to what? This is equal to the square root of, what is the coefficient of regression line of y on x? Which is 20
Summation of
by
x.
23,
Right.
right? What is the coefficient of the regression line of x on y? Which is 1. What is
1.
this? Which is the square root of 20 divided by square root of 23. So what is this? This is the coefficient of correlation.